Hello everyone, welcome back to Exclusive Models. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be based on how to cut this dress. This Abaya dress is you're seeing on the thumbnail. You can also call it a normal dress, depending on how you want to call it. I'm using crepe fabric to cut it out. You can use a plain fabric as it is on the thumbnail. You can use a flower fabric like this. It depends on any fabric you want to use. This Abaya that I'm talking about is a cut together with the sleeve. It's a gathers gown. Also it has the gathers after the waist, and it also has the gathers after cutting it together with the sleeve to some starting stage. So, and that is what we'll be cutting now. The measurement we'll be using here, the full length is 60 inches. I'll be adding 1 inch of seam allowance to make it 61 inches. The back measurement is 16, but yeah, it's a cut together. Then I'll be making use of the necessary measurements that we're going to use. The first thing I'll be deducting out here is the half cut. The half cut is going to be 14, but I'll be adding half inch of seam allowance to it to make it 14.5 inches. Yes, this is the half cut. This is 14.5 inches. Then the 14.5 inches, we're going to fold it into 4. Like this. This is into 2, as you can see. Then into 4. Into 4 this way. You can see. So here you can make use of zip at the back. Here you can also make use of a loop at the back. It's not fitted. It's not a fitted gown at all. So you can make use of button here, and you can also make use of zip here. So after this, I'm starting my measurement from here. From the center here, the length is going to be 12 inches. As the sleeve length is 12 inches. It's cut together with the sleeve. So the sleeve length is 12 inches. Then I'll be making use of 1 inch of shoulder slant. Then I'm going to connect it to the center. I'm slanting it down to the center of the back this way. You can see. After this, take cut together with the sleeve, don't forget. So what I need here is the armhole measurement. The armhole measurement here I'll be using, the actual armhole measurement is 7.5, but I'll be making use of 1 inch. I'll be adding 1 inch to it because it's not fitted, to make it 8.5. You see. So it's at this it's at this area that I'll make use of bust measurement. The bust measurement is going to be 38 inches with a seam allowance of 1.5 inches. So that means I'll be coming in to this. You can see. Then this particular one, the waist measurement is going to be 36 inches. That will make use of 9 in 4 places is going to be 36 inches. Then with 1.5 inch of seam allowance. So this is how it's going to. Then I'm going to connect the lines together this way. I'm going to connect the lines together. You can see. So this is now where we're going to. Then I'm going to cut it. So you can see this is not the sleeve, this is the bust, this is the waist measurements, as you can see. So the next thing that we mean here is to cut out the neckline. The neckline is going to be a round neck, a small round neckline. So the wideness is going to be 3 inches, and the deepness also is going to be 3 inches. 3 inches at the front, then 2.5 inches at the back. Then we're going to connect the lines together. So the first one we'll be cutting is the back. Cut it together with the back. Then I'm going to cut the front neckline. You can see. So when you open it, this is how it's going to be. You can see it's a smaller neck. Make it a complete sleeve. This is the area I'm going to make a gathers. I'm going to make a gathers around this area to make it a complete sleeve. Another sleeve at the waist side, there's going to be an elastic over. So from this fabric now, I'll be deducting the full length to make it a full length. So I'm going to take up 40 inches. No, the actual length is 40 inches. We just add half into it to make it 40.5 inches. So it's the 40 inches I'm going to take up now. Then I'm going to take a measurement of 60 inches plus seam allowance of 1 inch to make it 61 inches. This is the 60 inches, you can see, plus a seam allowance of 1 inch to make it 61 inches. You can see. To cut out this now, I will take, from the center of the neck that I took the measurement of is 12 inches. From the center of the neck is 12 inches. I will be taking 12 inches up. Then I'm going to make it of 32 inches for the seam allowance. The actual sleeve length is 30 inches. Then with the seam allowance of 2 inches, it's going to give me 32 inches. So this is now my sleeve length. So this is not the length of the sleeve, so I'll be joining this to the sleeve now. Welcome back. Hey, the finished work so far. This is the dress I'm talking about. This is the dress. This is a dress with an half cut, and it also has the cut together with the sleeve. You can see, and there's a straight cutting that make it a complete sleeve. And there's a gathers around here. You can see it. And there's a gathers around the waist also to make it a complete dress. So it has an elastic here, you can see, and this is the back. It has a loop at the back. I told you you can also make use of a zip, and you can also use a button this way. So please, if you are new to my channel, at the end of this class, make sure you subscribe to it. And for those people that already subscribe, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video always. See you in my next class. Bye.